Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your iPhone or whatever phone you've got to the Bluetooth system in this Volvo V70. So first of all, we go to iTunes. You see at the bottom there my Volvo car there. If you touch the, well, if you get it right when you've not got big fingers like me, there you go. That's the three circles there and the silver triangle. iPhone, my Volvo car. So there's a tick next to my Volvo car. So if we go back to this, we'll turn it down. Any audio that's playing on your phone will now play, subject to setting it up correctly on the system, will now play through your speakers. So over we go to media, and that gives you the choices that you can actually have. This is set to USB at the moment, so it's not going to play. We'll click play, go over here, click media again, and then we turn the rotary control till we get to Bluetooth and click the OK at the top, and that's it playing. When I turn this up, I'll turn it up here, and I'll turn it up here, you'll hear it play. There you go. That's it playing through the system. That's how you do it.